Hello my friends, I'm Tony from Kesu. Are you looking to make custom parts or prototypes for your drones? You have come to the right place. At Kesu, we specialize in precision engineered CNC parts for drones, including boom floating drones, water pumps, foam alloy caps, aluminum alloy standoffs, and other related aluminum components. Each part plays a vital role in the drone's performance, and our precise manufacturing process guarantees efficiency, safe operation. Our drone CNC machining parts are crafted using advanced CNC machines, delivering highly accurate and complex shapes with tight tolerances and exceptional surface finishes. Materials like aluminum and titanium are used for their lightweight, strength, and durability, ensuring drone components are both functional and visually appealing. Whether you are searching parts for military or security jobs, racing jobs, or cinematic video jobs, please feel free to contact us for a free quote. Bye bye.